Hi everybody, this is Brian Pittman at Caterpillar downtown in the Learning Center. We're going to talk a little bit today, just touch briefly on abrasives, and this is more of a safety talk than it is talking about what we sell, why we sell, and what we use. We all know that when you're using grinding discs and everything else, there's two things you're looking for. Number one is speed of the tool, and the other is heat, because heat can help you or it can really hurt you. But today we're going to talk a little bit about safety. Right now on this particular air grinder, we've got a flap wheel on here. Now a flap wheel does not need a backing plate because it's got plenty of cushion right here. And if you've ever used flap wheels before, they're pretty easy to use, they're pretty straightforward, and they're not dangerous as a general rule. Always wear eye protection, of course, and sometimes face protection. And if you're in a situation where you're putting off some smoke or some odor, maybe a light mask would probably be a good idea also. But here's what we got. This is a hard fiber disc. This one happens to be a 36 grit, so it's very aggressive. And what you want to do is, you need something that's pliable on the back side of this. So what you want to get is something along the lines of this adapter right here. This backing pad is rubber, and it's got little indentations in there to let this thing breathe. When it's on there like this, it's building up heat. What you want is something ventilated so that the heat can pass out through so it doesn't get so hot. The other thing, when you're bearing down on that, you want some give. You want a little bit of give. If not, you bend these, they crease, and at a high speed, they fly apart and they become deadly missiles, and you don't want that. So the next time you're loading up your air tool, or even electrical tool, whichever it is, and you're going to do some grinding, think about what's on the back. Think about what's on the back of that pad. Do it right, do it safe, and your job will go faster, you'll be safer, and the guy beside you doesn't get hit by the pieces that come off your machine. So if you want to know more about this particular product or just ask me a question, we're at www.cattools&supplies, or you can reach me, Brian Pittman, at Pittman_Brian_D@cat.com. Be more than happy to answer any questions you have or talk about any of our products. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe.